To add a figure in LaTeX Overleaf, the process is relatively simple. Start by accessing the toolbar, where you will find 3 dots. If these dots are not visible due to a larger monitor or better resolution, the image icon with the Insert Figure option may be directly accessible. Clicking on the 3 dots or the image icon will reveal the Insert Figure option. This feature allows you to upload a figure from various sources, including your computer, project files, another project, or a URL. For this example, uploading from a computer is the chosen method. After selecting the file, choose the desired thumbnail and click Open. The file name, folder location, caption, and label can all be adjusted as needed, and the image width can be modified to fit the desired dimensions, such as full width. Once the settings are confirmed, click Insert Figure to add the image to the document. The figure will initially only be visible on the left side, so it is necessary to recompile the document to make it visible on the right side and include it in the final PDF. If changes need to be made later, this can be achieved by clicking the pen icon next to the figure, allowing adjustments to the width, label, or caption, or the figure can be deleted using the X button. This process encompasses the basic steps for adding a figure in LaTeX Overleaf.